Hi everyone and welcome back! Yay! Yay! So today we're going to be learning some more coding, right? Because in the last class, most people said they want to continue doing Scratch. Some other people said they want to do some of the other things too. So we'll try and find more time to do those things too. But in this class, we only have about 10 to 15 minutes, right? Because you already learned about typing. So today we're just going to do Scratch, and then the next day we'll do maybe Scratch and something else, or we'll see, okay? Okay, yay! So let's get started. Oh, what's going on here? Oh,
Yay! I'm gonna be teaching again today. Yay! So, let's do coding! Yahoo! Yay! Okay, so when you click on the link in the Google form, it will open up something like this, right? Maybe it'll be a little different, okay? But something like this. And you need to click on See Inside. Oh, See Inside is over here. Yay! Let's click on that. Yay! See Inside. Oh! So here we have the code. Oh, I'm in the way, right? Let me move. Did you move me? Ah! Okay. Yeah, over here. This is fine. Okay, over here. Yeah, this is good. So now, over here we have the workspace with all of your sprites. So we've got an eraser, a triangle, and some pencils, and a game over sign. Oh, so we're going to use these ones to help make our game, okay? So, what do we need to do first? Make sure we clicked on the eraser. The eraser is blue. And when we start our game, what happens now? Game over. Nothing's happening. Oh, I can't move. Oh, how do you move? How do you move? What do you do? Nothing's happening. Oh, no. Ah! The problem is that we can't move right now, right? There is no way to move. Okay, in Scratch, there are lots of different ways to make something move, okay? And to control something. You can do it so many different ways. Today, we're going to do it an easy way. So, what we need to do is we click, There's Teacher Cindy. Hello, Teacher Cindy. Good job on finishing your video. Okay, so let's move on. So we have events and when blah 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 click key pressed. We're going to use this one. So this one, let's just choose when you press a button, something happens. Oh, so I got that from over here in the code section. Go down to events and look for when space key pressed. Click on it and pull it over, okay? And then you'll have this one here, okay? So we're going to use the left arrow, okay? When we press the left arrow, something's going to happen. We're going to move left. How can we move left? What do we do when we want to move? How do we do things when we want to move? Which one do we click on? Is it variables, operators, sensing, control, events, sound, looks, or motion? What do you think? Do you know? Do you know? Can you guess? Yes, it's motion! Yeah! Motion means move, okay? So we can find all these different things. They mean move, okay? So, in Scratch, in different games, we have X, which is left and right, okay? See over here? X, left and right. And Y, which is up and down, okay? So X is left and right like this. Y is up and down like this. So we're gonna move, we're going to change our X. Yeah, let's do that. Change X. There are different ways to do this. Today, we're going to do this one. Change X. Now, here it says 10. What happens if I do this now? Let's run and see. So, pressing the game. Oh, it's going the wrong way! What? That's not good. Boo! So what can we do to make it go the right way? Do you know? Can you guess? We can change it to minus! Yeah! We're going to change it to minus 10. Now let's see what happens. Oh. Yeah! We did it! But wait a minute. What happens if I want to go the other way? That's not good, right? Oh no! Oh! I need to go the other way, right? Oh no! So what can we do? We're going to do the same thing again, but we're going to add in for, we're going to change it to right? So events, sorry, not control, events. And when space key pressed, take it over here again. So you're dragging it out over here. I'm going to change space to right. Change space to right. Okay. Right arrow. Okay. So now, next, what are we doing next? Next we are going to add in, how do we make it move again? Can you remember? What do we do to make something move? What do we do to make something move? We click on, which one of these? Which one is it? Can you remember? Yes, you're right, it is motion! Good job, good job. Well done if you got that right, good job. So now, we're going to click on motion. What type of motion? Change X, right? Change X. So, change X is here. Oh, here it is. Pull it over. And 10. Well, last time 10 was okay, right? For moving right, we use 10. And for moving left, we use minus 10. Oh, so strange, so interesting. Let's see if that works now. Oh, so moving left works. And moving right works. Oh, if I want to be a little faster, I can change it, right? I can go 20. It'll be so easy, so easy. 20 will be so easy. And left changes to 22, minus 20. Oh, let's try that. Yay! Yay! If you want to be even faster, you can change the number to a bigger number, right? Wow, this is so cool. Yay! But, oh, what are we going to do next? Next, I want to shoot. I want to shoot that triangle, right? We're going to kill that triangle. Oh, let's find out how to do that. In 1 second. Yay, let's hit stop. I'm going to learn how to shoot. Yay, are you excited? I'm excited. Yay! Oh no, oh no. I forgot something. I want to add some sounds. Every time I click the button, I want it to play a sound, okay? It'll be more fun that way. So we're going to click on sound. I'm going to click on start sound. Oh, and destroyed. Oh, that's the one I want. That's the noise I want, I think. Is it? Start sound. Maybe not. Maybe not destroyed. Let's see what else we have. Beep. That sounds okay, yeah. Beep. So I'm going to change to start sound beep. Okay, start sound beep. If you want to use a different sound, oh, here are all the sounds that we have right now. We have beep, burp, 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 and destroyed. Dun, dun. I think that's destroyed. And, oh, there are more sounds that you can add here. You can search for a sound. Wow! If you want to change it, you can change it to something else. You can use one of these sounds. Sometimes it's more fun if you change a project to make it special, make it your own, right? So if you want to use a different sound, you can. And you can even record your own sound. Wow! So cool, right? You can record your own sound. So now, we've added a sound for each one, okay? Both of them have sounds. So when we click, you should hear a noise. Oh, so cool, right? So cool. Can you hear that? Ah! Okay, good job. Right, so next thing, let's move on. Yay! Yeah, okay, let's see what's next. Okay then, so next thing we want to shoot the pencil from the eraser, right? We want to shoot the pencil from the eraser. So to do this, the first thing we need to do is the pencil needs to go to the eraser, right? It needs to go to the pencil, and then it's going to shoot, okay? So, how can we do that? Let's click on the pencil, and we're going to add some code. So I click on the pencil, we're going to add some code to the pencil. Yay! Okay, what code are we going to add? So, again, we're going to press a button to make the pencil go to the eraser. What button? I don't know. How do we code to make something happen when we press a button? Can you remember? What do we use? Is it motion, looks, sound, events, control, sensing, operators, variables, or my blocks? Can you remember? Which one is it? You do, you know! It's event! Yes! Just like we used left and right before, this time we're going to use space. Oh! So let's click on this. When space pressed, what's gonna happen? Well, it's gonna go to the eraser. How do we code that? I don't know. So go. Go is moving, right? Which one do we use for moving? Can you remember? Motion. Oh. So we're gonna go and add in some motion. So go to. That sounds good, right? Go to random position. That sounds a little strange. What happens when I do that? No, that's not right. That's not right. That's not right. Okay, so how can we fix that? Let's see. Go to... Oh, wow, so many things, right? So many things. Wow. We wanted to go to the eraser, right? Go to erasers. Let's see what happens now. Yay! But after it goes to the eraser, it needs to shoot from the eraser. So how can we make it shoot from the eraser? So let me see. So what we're going to do is, we're going to add in, well first of all we want a sound, right? Because we want a sound when we shoot. So sound, we click on sound, and play sound, or start sound shoot. Let's do start sound shoot. Start sound shoot. Okay, so that's our shoot sound. And then, we're going to make it move forward. So there's different ways to do this, but today we're going to use repeat, a repeat block. Oh, so where can we find this? Here we are, this is one we want, repeat until. So repeat is kind of like side sit, right? Like do it again until something happens. So it's going to keep on doing this thing until this thing happens. Oh, well what thing do we want to keep on happening? We want to keep moving, right? We want to move it X, left and right, or Y, up and down. Do you know? Oh, we want to move forward, right? If it goes this way, it won't shoot the triangle, right? But if it goes up, then yeah, that will hit the triangle, right? So, where can we find movement? Can you remember? What can we do? Do you know? What is it? Yeah, motion! So we're going to click on change Y, right? Not change X, change Y. How fast do I want this to be? You can choose. In Y programming, the Japanese program, they use 6. So I'm going to try 6. And we want this to stop. We don't want it to keep on going forever. We're going to make it stop when it hits the edge, okay? So, repeat until sensing. So this is a new one. We haven't used this before, right? And then we're going to say touching. And we can change this mouse pointer to edge. Oh, so when it touches the edge, then something's going to happen. Well, what's going to happen? Let's try this now and we'll see some problems and then we'll fix the problems, okay? Oh, it's firing. Oh, what? It's not supposed to stay there. No! So we need to add in something. We're going to make it hide. Oh, going to make it hide. And what happens if we do this now? Oh, then I can only shoot one bullet. What? Only shoot one bullet? No! So, if we wanted to shoot more than one bullet, then we're going to need to show it at the beginning, okay? So we go, looks, show, and we can add show right here. Oh. Let's see now. Fire! Yeah! Fire! Oh, yeah! We can fire as many times as we want! This is awesome! Oh no! Let's see, does it work though? Can we destroy the triangle? Let's see if this works. Wait. No! It doesn't destroy the triangle! So we need to do that next. Oh, let's look and see how we're going to destroy that triangle. Okay, so before we move on, make sure that you finish this code. You can pause this now. Pause and copy this code into the pencil. And then we're going to move on to the triangle. I'm going to make the triangle disappear when the pencil hits it. Oh, so hit pause now, okay? and finish this code. Hi everyone, and welcome back! Yay! So, if you're watching now, that means you have finished doing this code here. If you haven't finished, boo! Pause, go back and finish. Okay, so we're going to move on now, and we're moving on to the triangle. So click on triangle. Oh, delete. Zoom. So, we need to do that again, okay? We need to make the code so the triangle will disappear when we touch it, okay? Yay! Okay, so now for most code in Scratch, we start off with something called when start click. So we click on events, then when this little green flag clicked, okay? So get this one from events, when flag click. This is a very, very important block. We use it all the time in Scratch. It's very, very important. Okay, now to make it a little easier to see, I'm going to zoom in now, okay? Let's zoom! Yay! So now, the next thing that we always like to do in Scratch is we have a forever block. Now, why do we need forever? Because we wanted to check again and again and again. Always checking, is the pencil touching the triangle, okay? So, now, always checking, forever. So now, next thing. Forever, now we want to say if. If it's touching the triangle. So, if, then. So where did I get that from? I got that from control. So click on control, and over here, if, blah, 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 then. That's what we want. If, blah, 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 then. And the blah, blah, blah is if touching the triangle. Oh, so we're looking for sensing. Sensing is good for seeing if something is touching something, okay? And touching. Oh, yeah, let's put that one here. But what? It says touching mouse pointer. Boo! That's not what we want. We want to change it to something. Do you know? What do we want to change it to? What do we need to change it to? If touching? What's that? Yes, you're right. If it's touching the pencil, then what's going to happen if it touches the pencil? Do you know? We want it to go away, right? How can we make the pencil go away? Sorry, not the pencil. We want the triangle to go away. How can we make it go away? Do you know? What do we need to click on? We need to click on looks, right? Looks, and then... Yeah, you're so smart! It's hide! So, show and hide are very important. Hide makes things go away, right? So we can't see them, okay? Just like if you're playing hide and seek. Oh, and we can play a sound too, right? It's always nice to add a sound. So we're going to click on sound. And start sound, pew. That sounds okay. Pew. Or you could even add in a different sound if you want. Okay, let's play that and see what it's like. Oh, can you hear that? I don't know. Let's see. Ah! Oops, I forgot to fire. Let's try that again. Ah! Yeah! Okay, so what's up next? Let's see. One moment. Maybe we can see if we can make the dinosaur come. So cool! Yay! So make sure you finish this code first. Okay? Okay, welcome back. If you are here now, yay, well done. That means you have finished coding this. If you haven't, pause and give it a go, please. Now, the last thing that we need to do, okay? So how can we make the dinosaur come? Okay, so we're not going to do all the code. We're just going to do one very easy piece of code. So that is, we're going to click on Events. And see this one here, Broadcast. Yeah, Broadcast BDino. We're going to use that. If it doesn't say BDino, change it to BDino, okay? So, broadcast sends a message to another thing to activate another sprite, okay? So, here's our dinosaur over here, okay? And when it gets BDino, oh, it does all these things, okay? So, we're not going to do all those things, because that's a little bit, that'll take us too long, right? It's a little bit too difficult. So, but let's see. We can see what happens when we do this. Let's hit this now. Oh. Oh, so cool, right? Yeah, it's working. So, if we start the game now, we can see. Ah! Yay! Now it's working, so cool, right? Ah! Okay, I hope you had fun today. See you next time, everyone. Bye! Yeah! Oh, wait, one more thing that I want to show you. Okay, wait 1 second. Beep, 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 beep. Yay, welcome back! Okay, so this next cool thing that I want to show you before we finish is a game. So, how can you play this game if you're using a tablet, right? On a tablet, probably you don't have a keyboard. Oh no! So how can you play this game on a tablet? Well, this one was made by Catmat. She is 5. Oh my gosh! And there are some buttons here. She made these buttons left, right, and shoot. So, it's just like the dinosaur. When you click on left, when this sprite click, broadcast left, and then when I receive left, blah blah blah. Oh, so this stuff is a little bit complicated for today, but this is how you would do it if you didn't have a tablet. You can still make a game so you can play it. If you want to try and copy this, if you want to make a game for a tablet, if you're only using a tablet, here's what you need to see. Left button, right button, shoot button, and eraser. Wow, so cool, right? So nice, okay? And how did she make these? Well, she drew them by herself using this one, and then she found the ball, where's ball, and then she drew an L and an R, okay? So she did it by herself. Okay, that's all we have time for today. We are out of time. Goodbye, everyone. Yay! See you next time. Bye-bye.